Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with DaveyLama. Sorry I have not been doing so many videos lately between work and focusing on whatnot. Um, I just got to become a little bit more organized, I guess, and then I'll start streaming a lot more videos on YouTube again. So apologies, guys. Um, I know I'm pretty much behind on my even my monthly giveaways with those nice mystery packs I would do. I'm gonna start them up for May. In May, you'll be seeing a lot more videos coming shortly. But today we have this 2023 value block box slash retail box. Drew Jones, Gunnar Henderson. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. And we're looking for some big hits here. As we all know, blaster boxes do not have high chances for hits, but we will test our luck today. We got Saya, Yordi, Mikel, Matt Warner, Manny Machado, Ellie De La Cruz, Sights to Remember. This is nice. Ooh, I love this, Ellie. Let's get you in a sleeve real quick. Tell you on whatnot, this is probably one of my most requested players right here. So we got Ellie De La Cruz to add to our list of items to sell. Kobe Thomas, Carlos Jorge. I definitely like these new Bowman Chrome designs. I'm a big fan. And behind him, Ricardo Perez, first refractor. Beautiful. Paul Goldschmidt, Masataka, Jordan, Mookie, Rosario. We got Brady House, top 100. Churio, Luis Rodriguez, Roman Anthony of the Red Sox, and Blake Lubier of the Red Sox. Felt a little sticky back there. Okay. I'm guessing it was just me. Oh, we got a Colson Montgomery in the back. I like that. Ronald Acuna. Aaron Judge. Look at that stud. Moreno. Rookie of the Year favorites. That's a nice pickup right there. A little Gabriel Moreno action there. All right, let's continue. Jesus Baez, Jackson Holiday, Kevin Parada, and Colson Montgomery. This one feels a little different. You know what? I'm going to leave that one for last, just in case. Or maybe it's just me. You never know. Jose Ramirez, Joey, Matt, Soto. Hey, we got Beatty. Got a nice Beatty there. Beautiful paper rookie card. Stanton, Luis, Trey Sweeney, Pedro Ramirez. Hey, Gabriel Gonzalez out of 499. That's what I was looking for. Paper. With my sarcastic tone. It would have been nice if it was a chrome, not paper. But I'll take what I get. That's what you get for buying blaster boxes. Peguero, Ivan Herrera, Salvador Perez, Bowman Prospects, Drew Jones. Hey, let's go. Beautiful Drew Jones. Look at that. Such a handsome fella. He's going to be a stud. Why am I struggling with this penny sleeve? Angel, Nelson, Brian Acuna Jr., and Gabriel Gonzalez. Now to the last pack that felt a little funny. Let's see if we get something here. Juan Soto, Arenado, Gabriel Moreno, Jazz Chisholm, Freddie Freeman, Riley Green. Is this Francisco Alvarez? Hey, Francisco Alvarez. Nice Bowman Chrome rookie card there. Hot damn, that's a beautiful card. Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice.
I just dropped my penny sleeve. Such a stud. Anthony, Justin, Drew Jones, paper first. I'll take that any day of the week. It felt different for no reason because there's nothing good in this pack. Drew Gilbert and Boyd. All right, guys. Till next time. Catch you later. Bye.